What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Toyota remote key fob. This key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing we're going to be using is a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this button on the side, and then the emergency key will slide out like that. And we can just set that to the side. Now if we grab our flathead screwdriver and we hold the fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, we see this little slot right here. What I'm going to do is put that screwdriver in that slot and just pry up on the back cover a little bit. And then I can go ahead and pull it all the way off. And now we see our battery right here. And you can use the screwdriver to help you get under the edge of the battery and get it out like that. Grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Let's go ahead and snap that into place. And now we need to put the back cover on, and we need to start this top part in first. Kind of line it up. And then slide that top in, and then snap the bottom down. Put our emergency key back in, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.